Hello everyone, my name is Richard and today I'll be showing you my LEGO fire engine. Let's begin. Over here in the front is this bumper, which is mostly iconic for every fire engine or fire truck. It always has this headlight or floodlight so you're able to see ahead, below, ground. Make sure you don't run over anything. This headlight here is able to detach. Sometimes it falls apart, but that's okay. It is a sideways build, so then it has like smoothness on the sides, which is most noticeable. Except here, which is more look like it's all brickish. But it's able to attach back into place with ease. I added a couple cheese slopes on the sides, so then it looks more roundish a little. And it also sticks out, so it's not all flat like one of those buses, where the whole thing's just flat. The windows are tinted or darkened, so because fire is bright and sometimes some cars' headlights are very bright, and it might distract the driver of the fire engine. The top here has sirens here, where I use binocular pieces, which is most used with those LEGO sets. It's common binoculars. And I use this as the headlight, or part of the siren. Sorry about that. Noise neighbors. Okay, now over here, I'll now explain you of what this is. This is, well, simply a ladder that extends. I added this in as like last minute thing, because I noticed how whenever a kid or anybody, whenever they hear like the word fire truck or fire engine, they always think of like a fire truck with a ladder on it. So that's what I added. Ladder is able to extend about a foot. This stick here is about a foot long, so it's over a foot. It's able to go back into place. What's mainly holding this thing up are these parts from Bionic sets, which are like hydraulics. Without these, the ladder itself will fall with no support. That's why I added them in. But if you extend too much, they detach from the hydraulic pistons. It's able to rotate around 300 degrees, 360 degrees. But sometimes it's very easy for it to detach. But you can take it out, and it looks like one of those fire trucks that transport water. Now, let's start on this side. Over here is the gauges and meters to monitor water pressure. I added a bunch of printed tiles so it doesn't look so plain. Like more extra color, like yellow, red buttons. I added this turning thing because related to water. I added a piece of chain in it because some of the caps, or whatever you call it, to close up one of those fire hydrants. This thing, make sure you don't lose it. Now, let's move on to this part, which will better explain why there's these things on the sides. It's because whenever you want to make this into a ladder truck. Here's this, which attached to the sides for extra support. There are 4 of these, like 2 different colors. Quite simple build, requiring only 4 pieces, 4 parts to make. Sorry about that. So, if you bend them the right way, they'll make contact on the floor with ease. And it doesn't really matter what color you put, it still serves the same function. I just couldn't find enough to make all of them dark gray or gray. So I only was able to find an equal amount. There we go. So this is what it looks like on this side. I added them for both detail and its function, so it doesn't tip over if you put something heavy on a ladder and it's leaning. Same on this side. This is what it looks like in the front. So now, for a quick hide it, you can fold it up, or you can remove it, fold it in a certain way of how you're able to put it back. It's kind of difficult with these. So fold it like this, then grab these pieces, or yeah, there. Folds the other way. Folds this way, and you put it like this one here, another one there. Demonstrate for you. So put it on its side, so then it doesn't always fall out. Just slide it in. Slide in the other part. You got it already halfway through. And put in this other one, and you're able to close it up with ease. Due to how long this video is, this is going to be part 1, and I'll make next video to show the rest of the features. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And bye.